Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to download videos from your Google Drive. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Google Drive website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you'll be able to see all of the files that you have in your Google Drive. So as you can see here guys, under suggested I can see all of my recently opened files. Here I can see all of my folders where I have grouped my files into them. And if I scroll down even a bit more, I can see all of the files that I have not grouped into any folder. But yeah guys, let's go back to the top of the page and let's look at the left side of the screen. Here you will see multiple options that you will be able to use to manage and view your files. You can see your Drive files right here, you can see your recent files, you can see your shared files and your trash and so on right here. So guys, now we want to use this option and go ahead and find the video that we want to download. I have already found the video right here guys. I'm going to be using this video for today. So it's very easy to do guys. All you have to do to be able to download the video is to go ahead and find it and then right click on the video. After right clicking on the video guys, this will now open up this new drop down menu where you will have multiple options such as sharing it, getting a link and so on. What we want to do guys, go ahead and find that download option right here. Go ahead guys and click on download, and after clicking download guys, you will see that now this will start the download for the video from our Google Drive, and as you can see we have successfully downloaded the video right now. And it's very easy to do guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.